Legume.
Legume, yeah. You know, Chris, I looked that up in the dictionary, and I hate it when they do that. They say a legume is a leguminous plant.
Yes.
I'm like, well, that cleared that up, you know. But actually, a better definition, I think, would be it's a member of the pea family. You know, and the legumes all have that nitrogen fixing ability in their roots that makes those nodules. So they're a good green manure crop.
Right.
They're ones that don't need a lot of fertilizer, particularly nitrogen, because they fix their own.
That's right.
So, you know, that means a legume is it's our one of our big food crops, of course, the legume family. Think about soybeans. You know, pinto beans, butter beans, you know, all the things that we eat that are from the legume family. So it's a big.
Bermuda grass?
Don't believe that one is.
That is not a legume. That is, yeah. Most people would consider that a weed.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.